Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 27th of August 2021 question. Question number 9. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0, then the value of limit x tend to b e to the power 2 x square plus bx plus c minus 1 minus 2 x square plus bx plus c divide x minus b whole square is 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of limit. A coordinate quadratic equation is given here, and we should calculate the limit. So alpha beta is the root of this quadratic equation. So the limit of is it is a memory based question. Limit x tend to beta e to the power 2 x square plus bx plus c minus 1 minus twice x square plus bx plus c divide x minus beta whole square. So this is given here. So now crack this limit. So limit x tend to beta 1 plus twice x square plus bx, just differentiate this, and bx plus c plus 4 x square plus bx plus c whole square divide this one is equal to factorial 2 plus dot dot dot, and now you should give a bracket, and left one is minus 1 minus twice x square plus bx plus c, and the denominator is unchanged x minus beta whole square. Now limit x tend to beta, the numerator become something cancelled off, and left x square bx plus c plus dot dot dot, and denominator is x minus beta whole square. So now that is equal to limit x tend to beta, just crack this one putting the value of beta. So x twice x minus alpha x minus beta, and put a square plus dot dot dot, denominator x minus beta whole square. Now something cancelled off, limit x tend to beta twice x minus alpha whole square plus dot dot dot. So now this one is twice, after putting the value beta, so it is 2 beta minus alpha. So this one is beta minus alpha whole square, so that is equal to twice alpha minus beta whole square minus 4, if we crack this, 4 alpha beta, and we know alpha and beta are the root of this quadratic equation. So just put adding alpha plus beta. So it is alpha plus beta. So alpha and beta, if alpha and beta is the root of this quadratic, then alpha plus beta is equal to, we may write b square, and alpha beta is equal to minus 4 C from this equation. So we should calculate this value. So we reached, this is our required solution, and our correct choice is option 3 is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 9. Now moving to question 10. So question 10 tells us that at a 20-meter length wire is cut into two pieces. One piece is used to make a square and other pieces is used to make a regular hexagon. The length of side of hexagon so that sum of the area of the square of the hexagon is minimum will be 4 options are given. So here it's a memory based question and it is the question of JEE Main Shift 1 27th of August 2021. So at first let's draw a square. So let's suppose length of the square is x, sides are. Now hexagon. So think this is a regular hexagon which is described in question. So the sides are A, it's as it is a hexagon, let's suppose this is A, so all sides are same. So now according to question, that this 20 is equal to 4x plus 6a, 20 meter length of wire, so it is 4x plus 6a. Now here is the triangle and this triangle is formed equilateral triangle, so this angle is pi by 3. So if this angle is pi by 3, then it is a equilateral triangle, we easily say. Now S is equal to x square plus 6 into root 3 by 4 a square. So putting the value of x from this equation, so we may say 10 into 3a divide 2 whole square plus 3 root 3 by 2 a square. So differentiating this as sum of the area square of hexagon is minimum, so we should calculate the minimum value. So now differentiate this, so ds by dA is equal to 0 if we should calculate the minimum value. That implies minus 3 10 minus 3a divide 2 that is equal to, sorry, this was this is minus, so 10 minus and here 3, after differentiating this 3 root 3 a, so that is equal to dA is equal to 0, so after differentiating this one become also 0, so it is 9a by 2 plus 3 root 3 a minus 15, that is equal to 0. That implies a into 3 by 2 plus root 3 is equal to 5. So now a is equal to what? A is equal to 10 by 3 plus 2 root 3. So this is the minimum value. So this one is the minimum value. Here at the point there is a minima exist. So our correct choice we reached, it is our required solution, and our correct choice is option 2. Option 2 is our correct choice. So these are the two solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.